Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we do have something to unbox here, and from the title, I'm pretty sure you guys already know what it is. Let's just get right into it. We have the Google Pixel phone right here to unbox. This is the Google Pixel 8 Pro. So as you can see, it is brand new, hasn't been opened yet. Just received it in the mail, the Google Pixel 8 Pro. We're going to be unboxing it, see what's inside, see what it comes with, and then from there we're going to start using it, reviewing it, and just have our thoughts with it. So as you can see, we have the Google Pixel 8 Pro. So we do have two tabs like you do with the iPhone, but this time it's on the side. The iPhone does have it on the top here and the bottom, but on the Google Pixel 8 Pro it's on left and right side. So we just have to pull on these two tabs, and then from there we'll be able to access the phone right away. All right, so let's pull on these tabs here like that, and then from there we should have access to the phone. So voila, this is how it actually looks. This is the first time that I'm holding a Pixel phone in my hand, and yeah, it looks pretty much what I expected, and it's very nice. I like the aluminum sides, cold to the touch, and I do like the color. Oh, the color is beautiful actually. So look at that. Yeah, so the color on the Pixel 8 Pro looks pretty much like how it looks on the box. It is a little bit darker shade, but I guess that's just for the promotion, but it really looks true to how it looks on the box. You can see all the different cameras. Can't wait to test these out. But yeah, so now let's just take off the plastic, and obviously they are advertising that it is USB-C, so we can see that, and it is the same thing as the iPhone 15 Pro and regular 15s. So yeah, took off the plastic. I love the fact that it's a flat edge design, but let's put the phone to the side for now. Let's look what's in the box. So we do have USB-C cable, pretty standard. Do have a USB-A to USB-C adapter. Not too sure why they put this in. It's not like if the old Pixels had USB-A on the phone, so not too sure why this is here, but anyways, we do have an adapter for it. I don't know if this will be useful for many people, but it is here. And we do have a pamphlet, no stickers like Apple, but just regular papers and documents, so we can put that to the side. And that's pretty much it when it comes with the Google Pixel unboxing. All right, so we are setting up the phone here, and we're gonna actually just set it up together and just have an initial impression of the actual phone. Just based off of design and feel, I actually like the way it feels. I actually love this camera bump because your hand can rest here and just hold the phone. So I like this part. I do like the design. It doesn't feel as matte feeling. I'm not sure what type of glass it is, but I do like the aluminum rails. Do like the color. I think this is the best color of the Pixels. And we're gonna choose the Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna set up the Wi-Fi and then I'm gonna get back with you guys. All right, so we got connected to Wi-Fi. So now it's saying getting your phone ready. So we just have to wait for it to actually set up. Not too sure what it's actually setting up. I didn't log into anything, I just connected to the Wi-Fi, but let's see how long it's going to take for us to actually set this phone up. All right, so it does want me to connect to my Google account, so I'll sign into my Google and just make sure everything is all set up. So once that's done, I'll get back with you guys and just look around the phone for our first initial impressions. All right, so I logged in. I just have to set up the fingerprint sensor now, so I'll set that up. Yes, I agree. So we just got to put our finger here. Right, so put it down like this. I should be doing this on my right hand. Let me just reset it. So, right, perfect. Start. I'll do this on my right hand because that is my dominant hand. It takes a little bit longer to actually set up, but hopefully it's fast enough once we're actually going to use it on a day-to-day. Perfect, so that's set up. So next is the face unlock. So I'll try and do the face unlock. I might have to do it off camera because I do have the camera facing me. So do that off camera real quick. That was done. So now I was just saying copy and paste data. Just skip on that. No backup. Yep. All All right, so we can continue to set up our Google Pay and stuff. I'll probably just set this up right now. All right, so use that without unlocking the phone. All right, I guess. Oh wait, I'll do that later. I really want to do that now. All right, so still loading. All right, so wow, so this is the wallpaper they give us. I'm not pretty much a fan of this wallpaper actually. It looks pretty boring. So it's showing me my Google News. That's actually pretty cool. It does have my Google account, so it knows exactly what I would like. Review news, Google devices, charging news, basketball. Yep, it knows me very well, and so that's actually cool. So we can see the apps that are preloaded, basically all Google apps. So I mean, that's the stock Android experience that you're looking for when it comes to getting a Pixel. And that's pretty much why I think I'll love the Pixel more than even a Samsung. And as you can see over here, it is downloading in the background. So it has a lot of things to do. I would like to see the battery percentage off rips. I think that's something I have to do in the settings. We are starting with 58%. I will be testing the battery out in another video, but this is just a general first impressions. Like I said, I've been a long time iPhone user. I've used iPhones for my first iPhone was the iPhone 4. This is the first time that I'm using Android in so many years. So I'm actually impressed with how it is. But obviously this is the stock Android, so I'm not using Samsung, so it doesn't have bloatware or something. All the apps are Google apps, and most of them is stuff that I would use, like regular Google app, Gmail, Maps. I don't know if I'll use Google TV app, but a lot of these apps is something that I would use, so it's very, very basic. I will be changing the wallpaper because it does not look good at all. Let's see what we have here. So these are the basic wallpapers. I'm not a fan of their wallpapers actually. Let's see. I might be putting my own pictures, but for now, let's just give it a default. Yeah, the pictures, well, the wallpapers are just not hitting that well. I guess I'll go with this one actually. And yeah, I'll use the themes. Oh no. Okay, well, let me change the theme. Okay, this is a little bit better. I think this is too dark. I don't know. It's looking pretty grim with the default wallpapers though. Okay, well, the phone just went blank for a second. So it does take a while for the phone to actually set up the wallpaper, and that's not a good sign for the Tensor G3, but we'll give it some time because it is loading in the background, like I said, so we'll give it some grace. So I think this is actually a good one, and yeah, it looks pretty decent actually. I am actually enjoying this right now. So let's go into the Google Play Store, see what apps we can download. So we do have TikTok here, Amazon, Discord, Netflix, Uber Eats. It kind of knows what app I actually use actually. I use Reddit a lot, use Discord a lot, use Canva a lot. So there are some apps where they're downloading Google Translate in the background, Disney Plus. All right, so there's a lot of apps that I'll need to be downloading. It does have its own book section, and I like that a lot actually. So yeah, game section as well. So I do play a lot of Sonic Forces. It should be here. Please let it be here. Yeah, this is my game. I'm gonna be playing this so many times on the Google Pixel 8 Pro, so I can't wait for that. What about Pokemon Unite? Does it have that? Yes, it does. Yeah, so this is gonna be put to its paces with the actual Google Pixel Tensor G3. Hopefully it could actually handle most of the games I play. And as you can see, there is a Fitbit app. I am still waiting on the Google Pixel Watch, so I'm still rocking the Apple Watch Ultra, but we'll be getting the Google Pixel Watch very soon. I think it's coming in tomorrow, so we'll wait for tomorrow to get it. But so far, we're just gonna be rocking with the Google Pixel. So let me just look around, and then we're gonna come back and just flow around the actual OS and play around with the phone. All right, so we're on YouTube for the Google Pixel 8 Pro, and the way it actually looks pretty much the same like iOS, but it does feel a little bit smaller for some reason. I assume the 120 hertz is on right now, and yeah, it is. So yeah, it does, everything looks smaller for some reason. If we go on the channel, we'll see the videos. So you guys have been watching the review of my Apple ecosystem. Very soon we're going to be probably talking about the Google ecosystem. Let's actually test out the sound. So let's play one of the videos and put the volume all the way up. About the Apple ecosystem. More specifically, we're going to be talking about the Apple ecosystem products that I own. Let me talk about the ones that I use the most, the ones that I use the least. All right, so we'll try another video and see. Maybe I want to try music, but I'm too afraid of copyrights. But we'll play a short clip just to test out the volume. Actually, playing music on the Google Pixel 8 Pro does sound a lot better. It is probably the video that I played, so my video audio was not perfect, and hopefully you guys can hear a difference with this audio right now, because I do have a wireless mic that I'm using now. I'm going to be playing around with it, so I'm going to make a video just customizing my Google Pixel 8 Pro, so you guys can see exactly what I'm going to be doing to the Pixel 8 Pro, what wallpapers I'm going to be putting, what widgets I'm going to be putting, what apps I'm going to be downloading. All that's going to be a whole video, so you guys can stay tuned. This was just the first impressions, and so far I'm actually enjoying it, and it looks very nice. The packaging is mediocre. I don't know why this is here, for example, but it's here. But so far I've been liking the Google Pixel 8 Pro, so let me know what you guys think. I think it's actually pretty amazing. A lot of videos will be done with the Google Pixel 8 Pro, so stay tuned for that, and see you guys on the next video. Peace.